So here in your organization, they are using Azure DevOps tool. So here, as per that parameters, hosting name, IP names, this. So what we can do, we can code it into one template, different resources, what we want. So this is an template. Parameters are what we have to pass. Suppose um, in ARM template, we need some Windows server images or Linux server images. Okay. So we can mention those images or in which region we are wanted to do, whether it is in North US or West US. So now if we mention is here one thing, so it is not parameterized. So what we do, we can give a name. Suppose location value West US is given, then we can mention another value like this. Okay, this is a read only editor, no issues. So what we can do, I will show you this on just copying it. Let me copy. So this ARM template in JSON. Okay. Now I was parameterized. If you see here, location values is only one. If I say I need Tomcat also or any other server name, let me say web web app server. Okay, web app server. So if I am mentioning this in this way, web app, or we can say I think okay. So these are the different values for the web app servers. So we can check, select also. Values we can select, we can give it here. Okay. Similarly, if I say not in West US, I want it into a different North US, then East US. Okay. So in this case, when we give their values, these are the parameters what we are giving. So when we run an ARM template, it will give an option for us to select from those servers, those things. So wherever we can give it any values, we can this. Is it clear?
Okay. So
So this
basically,
is,
you're saying that you will update it with the
yeah,
this
we can
many
update,
locations.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
locations. So that means we are parameterizing it because not each time. So in this case, when we parameterize, we mention this, it is repeatably used,
Mm.
reusable.
Mm.
But if I suppose I have not given, I have given only whenever I want. If I want Tomcat, I give Tomcat reason this. So this is again and again I have to make the changes in that.
What do you mean, Tomcat? Sorry, what did you say?
I say that if we don't want to, if suppose I have not given all these things.
Oh
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
So Tomcat, when I am deploying Tomcat web server, I will use this value Tomcat. When I am using this West
Web app.
web app. So I mention only web app. So what I'm doing, I have to modify it. So it is
Yeah,
not an
got it.
automated one.
Yeah.
Automated one is when we just give a parameterize, we runs the ARM template, and as soon as we runs the ARM template, it will just ask us as when it come to the name, it will display these three options. We can
Three
use this.
options. Okay.
Yeah. If new options comes, we can add in a template, ARM template,
Got it. Okay.
and when we add.
Can you,
So
I missed the part when I was like, because I was looking in my screen. From where did you go for this ARM template?
okay, so this is download a template for automation.
Oh, okay. Over there in the web
Yeah,
app.
in a
And the
yes,
resources basically you will get
resources
it.
only. It is there.
Okay.
So once you create, then your available templates will be there. Okay.
Okay.